What's going on, everybody? It's Kyle, aka Chart Bully here. I'm here with a video to help you guys set up the strategy tester for your MT4. Before I get into the actual video, just want to say thank you and I appreciate it for watching this video. I really do hope this helps you guys out. Practice your Forex strategy, help with your risk management, help with your emotions, and just overall help you guys be more confident in the Forex market. So I want to go ahead and get started, but I did want to say thank you before I got started. So first thing you guys want to do is go to this website here, fxblue.com. Let's go to the actual home page here. Yeah, so fxblue. And what you're going to do is scroll down till you see Trading Simulator for MT4. Okay, you click on that, and what you're going to go to is this free download button right here. Okay, click there, and you're going to go to new user. Make your email address, username, password, whatever you guys want to do. Click register. After that, it's going to ask you guys to verify a few things. Takes like 3 to 4 minutes, nothing too long. Just go ahead and verify the information. Once that's done, install that into the directory of your MetaTrader 4. It should automatically find it, but if you have more than one broker, you may need to select which one you want to go to. Okay, when that's done, let's go to the MT4, and it's going to be here. And if you know you installed it correctly, you're going to click on the folder button here, the navigator, and under expert advisors it's going to say FX Blue Trading Simulator. Okay, that's how you know you installed it correctly to the MT4 that you wanted to go to. Okay, so let's click out of here, and to actually get to the strategy tester, you're going to go to view strategy tester. Okay, alright, once that's done, you're going to go here. We'll start from top to bottom. You have a few choices here, but just make sure that you click on FX Blue Trading Simulator. Okay, and here we can click on our actual symbol. So depending on what symbol you want to use, EU, GU, whatever your broker provides, is all going to be under here. Okay, alright, and next we have model. So we have every tick, control points, open prices only. I do control points. It goes pretty smoothly. It's a lot faster than like every tick, so I suggest clicking it and leaving it here. Okay, the period here, this is going to be the period that the actual simulator is based on. So when you're actually clicking buy or sell, putting in your lot size, it's going to be on this time frame. Okay, so you have all the choices here. Mine's on M15, but this is based upon your strategy, whether you're scalping, whether you're intraday, whether you're swing trading, whether you're position holding. So whatever you're comfortable with, what you usually use to look at the charts, put it there. Spread, I just keep it like on 2, nothing crazy, just because it's for practice. So I'm not trying to get stopped out because of the spread. Besides that, you can set your date here that you want to practice. Once again, this is dependent on your broker, and whatever date your broker has been open for, you can go all the way to the current date, and back test that date. So you can back test news events, you can back test anything that happened in the markets that day. NFP, is going to go through all of that, so you guys can keep seeing it, keep growing your confidence, like I said. Next, let's set up our actual deposit and everything else. Okay, so to do that, you can go to expert properties, and your initial deposit, mine is set on 10,000, but I suggest setting it on whatever you're actually going to come into the live markets with. So if you're trading $500, put it on $500. Maybe go 1,000, but don't do like $50 million and trade 100 standards every time you do it, because more than likely that's not what you have. After that, we're going to go to inputs, and here we have different variables. So what you can use this for is looking at other time frames while you're trading the simulator. So mine is clicked on H1 and the daily, but you can click on any time frame you want. You can do the M30, the weekly, the daily, monthly, M1, M5, whatever you want to do. And this is just so you can see other time frames while you're trading whatever on this portion of your trading simulator. Okay, Alright, so to recap, we have it on FX Blue, we have it on our pair, we have our model on control points, we set up our deposit under expert properties, we have our period, our spread, and the dates that we're going to trade, okay? Next we're going to do is pull up those other time frames that we had over here in expert properties under the inputs tab, okay? And to do that, we go to File, Open Offline, and see how mine are already highlighted. So it's going to say sim for simulator, H1, and daily, okay? And this is based upon your strategy. If you don't use other time frames, then you know this really doesn't apply. But if you want to see other time frames while you're trading, okay? So go to daily, and then you can click whatever template. Mine's called dark, and then I'll take my period separators off, okay? And then I have my H1 as well, same thing. Okay. Alright. So now we have our H1 setup, our daily setup. Let me take this one off, it might be confusing. We have our H1, our daily setup. We have our buttons here. This is going to be the speed of the simulator. So the fastest is 32. Sometimes that lags the computer and goes all the way to the end. So I suggest the highest you go is 31. I usually go between 28 and 31 depending on how I'm trading, okay? So let's say we got everything set up, we're good to go. We got our daily, we got our H1, we got the time, December 20th through December 16th. So what you want to do is actually push start, okay? It's going to say waiting for update. Just give it a minute for it to load up. Boom. Alright. Next, what we're going to do is go to our template again. I have dark. And from here, you know, we can actually start the simulator. And just for example purposes, I'm going to start it up. And you can see here, it started right here. And as I move this, it goes faster. As I move it down to the left, it goes slower, okay? Like I said, I go in between like 28 and 31. Don't use 32 at all. If I go with 31, well, I did 32 by accident, but you see it takes you all the way to the end sometimes, okay? So that's just what I suggest. I will do another one real quick just to show how to work the buy and sell. Okay, template again, start it up. So let's say I'm moving it, and you can see as I do it, it's going candle by candle based upon the period that I have here, to M15. And you can take a look at the other time frames. It's moving in sequence with it. Okay, so the H1's moving, the daily is moving. Let me zoom in. The daily's moving, H1 is moving. We're good, okay? So let's say, oh, I see something I like. I want to practice here. I just take a buy. It's gonna load up and spin, and then what you want to do is just click the play button again, okay? And you can go here to this gear icon, and you can set your take profit, and you can also set your stop loss, okay? That's really it. It's gonna go through the whole week. So you can practice as many times as you want. Start it up, stop it again, start it up, stop it again. It's very fun, man, because like I said, you can go through all the pairs. You can do whatever you guys want to do with it. So that's gonna wrap up the video. I appreciate it. I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and get practicing, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.